Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today we are working on this NESPRESSO cities machine that unfortunately has a problem that it's taking way too long for the actual heater to heat. And I suspect that this problem is due to a bad capacitor on the main board. So what I will do, actually, I will change that capacitor. I have a bunch of them here somewhere. Need to find them. Okay, so here they are. Okay, so you see, still going, not already heated. It should have been heated already. Look, now it is done. And if I push the button, it starts, but not quite how it should do. So I will open up this unit and change the capacitor, and I will show you how to do this. Okay, so remove all the accessories. A little bit of water is now dripping. Remained on the actual unit. Underneath here we have some screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll remove them. Okay. We need the Torx for this. And this is actually T10 Torx. Two out, one here. Also one here, and one over here. After you removed all the screws, this part should come out. Like this. You have some connections here for the water tank. Need a pry tool. And you can remove this. So here we have the power connection, so we can remove these connections here. So we have to remove this brown wire. Let's see, we have another connection somewhere. So you see, you have a brown wire and a blue wire. So the blue wire can be disconnected from here, like this. Then the ground wire can be also disconnected like this. Okay. And the only one remaining is this brown wire here, which you can wiggle a little bit. And then gently remove it out, like this. And here you have two water intakes. Just slide them off like this. And this should be it. And this part is removed. Good. Then we have the two side covers. This is barely simple, just pry them off like this. I think this one, for sure this one was opened prior to this repair, so it's easier to remove. First time it's way harder. Good. Let's clean a little bit here, because there is a little bit of water. Okay. Water from the actual system is leaking a little bit, but no problems. So we have to access the main board, and the main board is located here, underneath this part here. So we will have to remove this upper button plate here. So again, we need a pry tool, and we have to pry this out. Like this. Okay, so these are, here are the buttons. Okay, and now this, we should have access at some point to the brewing mechanism, but before we have to remove this L part here, and you have two clips, one here, and on the other side another two, here, one here and one here. Hope you can see them, one here and one here. So you have to pry them like this, and then keep it in the same position and pry it also on the other side, and it will snap out. And you can remove it like a sliding procedure like this, and you've removed also this. Good. And now we at least have access to the main board here. And for this, we have to slide it out somehow, and then remove the housing. So here is one part, but we still have to remove it completely from the chassis. Where is that connection? Somewhere. Yeah, here. You see, there is a clip here. For this you need a flathead screwdriver, like this. And also two clips, one here and one here. So if you push this a little bit, then it will slide out like a cassette. So we cannot remove it completely because we have these wires here. So we have to take a picture to not confuse ourselves afterwards. So white is first, then blue, then black, then white, then brown. So this second white is going up, so we know that it's from the pump. Actually, it's a gray, not white, so it's a gray one. It's different from this white. But we made the picture. Now we know exactly what all this connector go. So we remove them one by one. like this. And then we still have some connectors here. I know it's a little bit complicated. So one here, one here, one here, and one over here. But you know what? Let's not remove these connectors anymore, because we have enough space here to work. And you see, this is the capacitor with the problem. So we have here enough space to work. So let's do it. The capacitor that we need is actually this one, and it's a 680 micro or nano, 0.68 micro farad. Looks like this. I've tested them when I bought them, so they should be working. So they are really on this level, on this value. Let's thin a little bit with some flux. I don't know why they sold me this capacitor with such tiny feet, but yeah, what can I say? Okay, and let's remove this one. Okay, and let's put this new one. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Good connection. And this one also has a good connection. Good. That's it. Good job. Pat on the back. And now we have to reassemble this once again. Let's see if we know how to do it. Good. Then this part has to come back here like this, and we should connect back all these connectors. Let's hope you can see what I'm doing. So remove these parts from here and here. So we had a picture. I already forgot. I'm getting old. So from this side, from up, so we have white first. So connect the white connector. Okay, then we have the blue one. The blue one. Oh, we don't have space. So blue, black, gray, brown. It's a mess. It's a mess. So blue, black, then gray, you know what? I need first to put this, slide it back here. We couldn't remove this in the first place because these connectors were connected, so yeah. So again, white first, then blue, then black, then gray, and then brown. Let's check again to be double sure. So white, blue, black, gray, brown. Bingo. Good. So we have this connected. Let's put this part back again. Like this. We have two clips here. So like a sliding door. It clicks. Perfect. Sorry about that. Good. Then let's also clean this these buttons here if we are here into it. Let's take a cotton swab. Some alcohol. And clean the contacts here. Good. So one is right, one is left. So it should be like this. It should be right. And this should be left. Okay, so this clip is a little bit loose. I will use some hard glue to glue this together. So I will let this warm a little bit and then just put some hard glue here. Okay, what can we do in the meantime? Yeah, we have to insert back this cover here. So this wood, this is simple, just a sliding mechanism here, like this. And you remember with two clips on each side, one here, and two on the other side. It's perfect. This hose has to come to here because it will be connected to the bottom plate. So this one it's not heating quick enough. It's warm. Okay. Come on. We don't have any all day.
One eternity later.
Something? Yeah. Okay. So let's put some hot glue here. And also here, down. And also here. We can also put some here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like that. And now we should be fine. Doesn't look nice, but anyway, you cannot see this piece of art that I made. Good, and this has to come through here. All these wires, we can tuck them nicely. Okay, so here, nice, and snap them in place. So we have some tactile feedback. Good. Okay. Let's put all the wires through here. And through here. We have a lot of space. No problems. We can put then the side covers. Which one is in front? I think like this. Yes. So this part has to be in front. The thicker part has to be in front. Okay. And it should snap in place. Like this. Snap, snap. So side covers connected, and then we should connect this with the bottom part. So everything has to come through here. So the blue wire is the most easy one because it has the most length. You can connect it like this. And also the ground wire is again extremely easy because it's long and it's connected like this. We can tuck it afterwards, but then it comes this one's the brown one. Let's connect it first. You can either remove this switch here. Actually, why are we doing this? But anyway, let's see if we can connect this. Just a little bit up, like this, so we can connect this one. Good. Now let's put it back in, like this. Okay, so all electric connections are done. We only have now to connect these hoses. So which one goes which way, it's easier. The thicker one goes to the thicker one. Come on, stay here. Like this. And this thinner one goes to the thin nozzle here. And yeah, that's it. We can now connect everything in place like this. Put back all these wires. And we can put this plate back first here, and then when we hear the click, it's good, it's good. And now the screws back. Another one here. And we are done. Only one screw left. That should be it. Good, guys, and that's it. Simple. Let's put some water. Let's put it in the outlet. Let's hope it will not blow in my face. So yeah, we have blinking lights. Let's see how quickly they will stop blinking. Do I have some water here? I don't know. So yeah, it stopped. Let's see if it works. Yes. And yes. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Why not consider subscribing? I will try to make more videos, interesting videos, how to repair stuff. So yeah, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.